Hey guys, welcome back again to Adjoa's Dishes. Today I'm bringing to you some of the spices I use in making my meals. Some of these ingredients are natural spices and some of them are company produced, but they are very nutritious and they benefit me a lot in the meals I make. So if you're new to this channel, you're welcome. Continue to watch this video and give it a thumbs up. So guys, normally when I get the ingredients from the markets, this is how they come in. They come in this little plastic bags, and this first one I'm showing you is an allspice. It has a little bit of every ingredient in it, or every spice in it. It's got some rosemary, so I'm just transferring it from the plastic bag into this plate, this little saucer I have here, so that you guys can see the content of the package. So in here you can see we have got some bay leaf, we've got some rosemary, we've got some peppercorns, we've got some orange peels, we've got a lot of ingredients in here, some anise seeds, African nutmeg. I love this spice because it is an all-purpose spice. It's even got some cloves. Okay, so it's an all-purpose spice, and when you get it blended, you have a unique, you guys, I repeat again, a unique flavor. You can use this for your stews, you can use this for your sauces, for marinating your fish, your meat, etc, etc. It is really healthy and very beneficial, because when you get this off the market, you know the source of the ingredients you are using. So out here again, I've got some chili, some dried chili. Normally I grind this and make it into powdered pepper. So normally if you go to the market, once you get on the market, sometimes it is full of color, I must say, and sometimes it is not 100% chili. They add some other things to it. So here also I've got some bay leaves, some dry bay leaves, and you guys must have seen this Robertson's spice. I showed this spice in one of my videos. This spice, if you are making jollof rice or any form of rice, as you can see on the picture, we've got some paella. It is perfect for rice dishes, some fried rice. I mean, the bottle is actually 85 grams, and that one, I was out of that one, so I use the 7 grams one. I realized that I managed the 7 grams one better than when I get the bottled one. So most of the time I get a lot of the 7-gram ones, and then I use it as my own convenience. Also, I've got some curry powder. This is from Uncle Chef, and this is a good spice. I feel when I use my curry powder in my sauces, it gives it a very nice, homey, and some cool taste and cool smell. Next here we've got some of these sankofa spices. I typically use this spice when I'm making some meat. I'm making meat especially because it's got some of the ingredients I would get in the market. And also I love the fact that it doesn't have any salt or any MSG. It doesn't have any salt. It is just raw herbs. And if you know me, I am a top lover of herbs. So as you can see here, we've got the ingredients behind. It's made of, this one has got some ginger, it's got some cayenne pepper, it's got some bay leaves, some black pepper, cloves, etc, etc. Even got fennel. So we've got fennel, star anise, and precursor. So this is all unique African spices that when you use in your ingredients or when you use in your dishes, you have the straight up African taste. And again guys, this video is not sponsored at all, so Sankofa company, if you are watching this, please sponsor me. Thank you very much. If you've been following me for a while now, you know that my holy grail is totally made up of some ginger, some garlic, some onions, and some of these natural spices. So you guys, now I am going to show you how I marinate my meat. I am going to be using some of these ingredients. If you haven't watched some of my videos where I showed how to make a perfect marinade, I'm going to link that up here, so please don't forget to click on it and watch the video. If you're enjoying this video so far, please support the channel by giving it a thumbs up and share this video to a few friends so that they get a tips or two from this video. So at this point, you guys, I'm going to be blending all these together. I told you guys that it is a must-have for you to have a grinder. because you can make some of your spices by yourself at home, so that you don't need to go out and buy something that you don't know what is even made up of. So now I'm going to be grinding this, and I'll show you how it looks after I'm done with it. Okay, so this is after I've blended everything. I didn't add anything to it. I just tossed the ingredients in there and then grinded it. So now we have our all-purpose spice, which is from the initial spices I showed you guys. So when you have this, then you know you have an explosion of flavors. Okay, it is all natural and you know what it is made up of. That is the most important part. So here is my grinded powder. I can use this for up to a month because I don't really use a lot. A little bit of it goes a long way because it is full of a lot of flavor. So if you take a little, it goes a long way. So now what I'm going to do next is going to show you guys how I use this to marinate my meat and also make some of my sauces. So you guys, if you know me, you know I'm not really a lover of meat, but lately I've been falling into lean meat. So I got these cuts and I'm going to be marinating them. I'll have a lot of videos where I've steamed a lot of meat, but in this video I'm just going to be using some salt and as the all-purpose spice that I blended earlier. That is what I'll be using. So I used 2 teaspoons of the all-purpose spice, some salt, and I'm going to be using my marinade. My marinade is made up of some onions, ginger and garlic. Because I have got all the spices in the all-purpose spice that I blended earlier, I go light-handed on blending of my other spices. So after I've tossed this in, I just let this sit for a few minutes. And also this sauce acts as a tenderizer, which means when you let it sit for a few minutes, it makes your meat soft, which doesn't take too long to boil when you are cooking. So here is the tip that I use in making my meat or in marinating my meat. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how I cook and use this meat in my sauce. Please give this video a thumbs up if you loved it and subscribe to the channel to know what I will be posting next, which is going to be pretty awesome. Thank you so much for watching this video today, you guys, and I will see you in my next one. Take care of you. Bye.